guys, welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today we are tackling Chic Beauty box. I'm so excited to get this box open and do a little try on for you guys. So if you want to see what's in the September-October Chic Beauty box, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. What's up, loves? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and now, boo, you have entered into my bomb-ass unboxing world. Happy Sunday, guys. This is a quick little bonus video that I'm bringing to you. We're doing Chic Beauty box. There will be no shout outs today, guys, because this is a bonus video. So I don't have a drink. I'm sorry. My bad, y'all. I really forgot. So let's get into the specs of this box and unbox her, and we will not be long today. So Chic Beauty box is a $34.99 every other month beauty subscription, plus you pay $7.95 for shipping. So it's about $42.94 every 2 months. You're supposed to receive 4 to 5 full-size makeup products with a value of over $100, and it's described as a box with just makeup, and that's it. And y'all know that I am like a makeup fiend, so this is perfect for me. If you use this code, which I'm going to put down here and also in the description, you can get some money off of your first box. So let's not waste any time. I want to get this makeup on my face. Let's get it on and poppin', boo. Y'all take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. So it looks like this, guys, this cute little pink box. When we open her up, this is what she looks like, my loves, and let's see. So we get a card every month. Now, normally on the card, they'll have like a variation 1 and 2, but this time they just put all of the products that you could have received in your box. They're doing it more like a mystery box, which I do love. And I will add up the total at the end and put it towards the end of the video, guys. So please make sure that you watch the entire video. I do appreciate all of my people that do. Thank you guys so much. Let's see what we got, guys. Now, I won't be trying on everything, but I will be trying on most. So first up, we have from NYX, this Cosmic Gel Liner right here. And this is in the color Supernatural. Is this beautiful blue right here. So let me open it up. I'm not going to try this on, guys, because I don't do blue wing liner. But we want to see what it looked like, right? Absolutely. And when we take her out, this is what the container looks like. And this is the back is a nice frosted glass container. And that is the product in the inside. It's not full, but that's the product right there, guys. I will not open this because I'm going to put this in a future giveaway for one of my loves. So let's see the price on this. So this is the NYX Gel Liner, and these retail for $9. It says silky eyeliners that blend easily and do not set into the creases or fade. So $9, guys. Next product we have comes from Milk, which I did see. I think everyone got this product, and this is the Milk Makeup Vinyl Strobe. Just a few clicks reveal a slick pigmented shade, and it's sticky free. Okay, so this is what it looks like, my loves, right there. Pull the top off, and it's like a little pen. So take the lid off, and then you would turn the bottom to get the product. There's not really a lot of product in there, but let's see. We turn it to get the product out. It's taking a long time. All right, so it's kind of like it's an eyeshadow, but oh, it's pretty though. I might use this today. That's what it looks like. Wow, it's like super black, but it's like gooey. So I don't know how that would hold up on my eyes, but I guess we could try this out today. I don't know. Let's see. We'll see what we can come up with. Oh, it stuck to my hair. And this, guys, retails for $20, my loves. Then we have a NARS product. Oh my God. This is the Light Reflecting Setting Powder right here. Perfect. I love this. And this is in the shade Translucent Crystal, it says. Let's open it up because we're definitely going to put some of this on. This is how it is looking. Oh, it comes with a mirror. Hey, boo. And this, loves, is what it is looking like. I am so sorry for that glare. I don't know why it has a glare, but that's what it looks like, my loves. Just a nice translucent white powder. This one is the NARS Reflecting Press Powder. It's a weightless translucent powder with a soft matte finish that looks luminous in any light, and it retails for $37, guys. And we are gonna add some of this to our under eye. So I'm gonna grab this little brush right here, dip it in. First, I'm gonna swatch it and put it like nothing. So let's just take and put a little bit under my eyes, see if we can get a little highlight going. Do y'all notice a difference? I don't know if I do. I mean, it's just a translucent powder. Maybe it's just like really natural where it just kind of just sets and that's it. Oh, I do notice a little bit of brightness. Okay, cool. All right, I am excited, guys, to get this. $37 is not bad, and I'm very excited to see NARS in this box. I am. Then we receive the Alame Goddess Gloss in the shade, I don't know the shade. I can't see the shade anywhere. Oh girl, I can't even read that. Let's see if I can see it. I think it's called Cosmic. This is what it looks like right here. A beautiful, beautiful, like iridescent champagne color. Let's open this up and see. I don't think I have too many Alame products, so I am happy to get it. I just put my new nails on, guys. Oh, I'm loving them, and I don't want to break them. I'm trying to preserve them until I have to go back to work, and then I have to cut them because I can't wear long nails to work, which sucks. But all right, we finally got it open. Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like right there, guys. That's the applicator. We're gonna swatch a little bit. Ooh, on the back of the hand. That is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Perfect. Let me see what this retails for. We're gonna put this on after the eye look. And this, guys, is the Alame Goddess Gloss, and it retails for $9.99. And it says it's a holographic lip gloss that's moisturizing, smooth, and never feels sticky. So this is it right there, loves. Beautiful. And last product in our little box, we have it bubble wrapped here. And let's see. And we have a palette. This one is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Rose Eyeshadow Palette right here. And let's open her up. Ooh, it looks like a beautiful palette on the back. Ooh, the packaging, y'all, is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. When we open her up, I have never used Bare Minerals palettes before. Oh, good, girl. We got a mirror. Go fix your hair, girl. Hey, boo. And this is the palette right there, guys. Just a nice little nude, rosy palette. Very simple, very basic. And we are going to create a very simple, basic look with this. Let's get the price of this baby first, and then we'll put it on. And this is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Eyeshadow, and it retails for $29. Okay, so first we're going to go in, it's not going to be plenty colors, guys. We're going to go in with this color right here on the bottom called Soul. We're going to put that all over the eye really quickly. And like I said, this is not going to be like a, ooh, that's gray. Wow. Okay, so it's actually looking much grayer than I thought. Okay. Alrighty, let's see. Just gonna put this all over the eye like I'm doing. Tell you what, it's very pigmented, if you guys can see that. It is very, very pigmented. I love it so far. And then we're gonna do this side. Just kind of putting it all over. So that's our base right there. You see that? It's just a nice little grayish color. I thought it would be, it does have a lot of kickback in the pan though. I thought it would be a little bit deeper. Well, more of this color is just like totally gray on my eyes, which is not a real problem. We're gonna go into Free Spirit right here, just for the front of the eye. Just use this little brush right here, just to go right into Free Spirit. And just put it right in the front. Okay, that's very pigmented. I hope y'all can see that. It is very pigmented. This brush may be a little too small. Let's see. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Don't worry, guys, if it's not perfect. Do not worry about that because we are going to fix it. All right, so now we have the Free Spirit shade on that one right there. We're going to go into, what is it, Stargazer, this dark one here. We can use a brush like this, dip into it, and we're going to just go like right along the edge, like that, and kind of like buff it over. Like this, see? Just like right across the edge and buff it over. And just make sure that it's blended out well. You know what I mean? And then we do the same thing on the other side. The only thing that I will say about the palette is the shades aren't as, you know, pigmented as they look in the pans, but for the most part, it did blend out really nice, really easy. So I am happy about that. I will use the Milk product. Let's see what we can, let's see if we could make something work. I hope this don't be like a gooey mess. I'm just gonna kind of put it like, okay. Right here on the end. I'm gonna take that same brush and just kind of like, let's see. Can y'all see? I'm just kind of like, blending it in. And it goes on kind of like a cream product. Like it's more of like a cream product. And it is a little bit sticky, I won't lie. I don't know if I would ever like buy this because I don't really use this kind of stuff on my face, but it's different, okay? It's different. I don't mind different every once in a while. And it actually blends out really nice, y'all. It just goes on like a cream product though. I don't think it's bad. All right, guys, I'm gonna go off camera, put my lashes on really quick. I'll be back to finish the lip and then we'll do final thoughts, okay? All right, guys, so I popped on these really dramatic lashes. I'm trying to get used to these. These are some that I received from Heart My Lash. These are Bombshell, and they are massive for me, but I'm just trying to get used to them. I want to show y'all something a little different than I normally wear. These are not my usual, but let's finish the look off with our gloss. I just lined my lips with this Juvia's Place liner right here. I think this one is Cola. And we're just gonna add a little bit of this gloss to my lips. Very pretty. Just a nice, subtle, that's it. I like it, okay. And guess what? It is not sticky. And I must say, I really am feeling it. Let's quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received this Gin Nude Rose palette right here from Bare Minerals. From Almay, this Goddess gloss right here. From NARS, this translucent powder. From Milk Makeup, I think this is a, what is this? A vinyl eyeshadow. And from NYX, this Cosmic Gel Liner. These 5 products we received this month. Final thoughts on this box was, I really actually enjoyed this box. I love the fact that we get all makeup. That's a plus for me. Also, they gave us a lot of different products like this vinyl eyeshadow, which a lot of people probably would not use. I'm definitely going to have to play with this some more, but I could probably, you know, use it on a corner like I did, or underneath maybe. Well, I don't know about underneath, but probably like in a corner. So this was okay. I do like the fact that we got a nice gloss. We got an eyeshadow palette. I have a NARS translucent powder for under my eyes just to kind of set it. And the NYX gel liner. I mean, so I'm pretty impressed with this month's box. I am going to leave the total right here for you guys. So please let me know in the comments what's your thoughts on Chic Beauty box. This is a bi-monthly subscription, guys, which I do like because y'all know I always get overloaded with makeup. So I do like that. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it out of the universe. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give Chic Beauty for the month of September, October, a whopping 3.5 to 4. I enjoyed the box, and I'm glad that it's all makeup products and products that I can use. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget, if you have not done so already, please subscribe and be a part of my family. I would greatly appreciate it. I would love to have you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Those are my two most active sites. Those are down below. The code and the link for Chic Beauty Box will be down below, guys. So until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed. Happy October, happy Halloween, happy Ghoul Day, whatever. I'll see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Bye, guys.